Good Sunday evening. I'm meteorologist Haley LaPointe. Thank you for checking out this forecast on WMUR.com. It has been such a windy day. That's the thing you're going to remember. We did, of course, see some flurries in a few locations and the rain right by the seacoast, but the wind has been so ferocious. We've had gusts up near 50 miles per hour in a lot of communities. These are some of the peak wind gusts that we saw on top of Mount Washington, 99 miles per hour, the peak wind gusts there. Mount Monadnock, 62 miles per hour. At the Isle of Shoals, which is just off the coast of Portsmouth, 60 mile per hour, the wind gusts they had there earlier. Portsmouth in the city, 41 miles per hour, and then in Concord, a 40 mile per hour wind gust. There were actually some storm reports from all these gusts of wind. Some places in the southwestern part of the state in particular had gusts up near 40 miles per hour, and that produced some damage to trees and some down power lines. This report here in Merrimack earlier in the day, the wind gusts there bringing down some tree limbs and power lines. This is what we're looking at for future wind gusts, and overnight it's still going to be a bit windy, not as bad, but there will be some gusts approaching 30 miles per hour, and even during the early morning hours on our Monday there could be some wind gusts that get up near 30 miles per hour in Manchester, Portsmouth, and even up toward Berlin. Finally, overnight on Monday and into Tuesday is when we'll see some relief from the wind, and Tuesday we'll just have a little bit of a light breeze kicking up. Here's what's the latest on the radar. This heavy snow, very heavy snow. In fact, Bangor, Maine, over a foot already, and it continues to snow there. What's really interesting is that if this system had just shifted a good 50 to 100 miles off toward the west, we would have been dealing with very heavy snow too. Instead, there were just a few flurries right along the coastline, a few spotted even into Manchester and Salem, New Hampshire too. So futurecast showing that by 8 o'clock tonight, all of us should be clearing out, and with the clear skies and this cooler air mass, the temperatures are just going to plummet. So most of us getting into the 20s overnight tonight, and with the brisk wind, it's going to feel like the teens at times if you're traveling overnight and early tomorrow morning. By noontime tomorrow, we'll see a nice temperature rebound getting into the 40s. And we'll see sunshine that will continue all day long. Tuesday is when we'll start to see some clouds moving in. Tonight, cold and frosty, still windy. Temperatures mainly in the 20s with winds out of the northwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Tomorrow it'll be mostly sunny, but still dealing with the wind a little bit. Temperatures get into the 40s midday and into the mid-40s by the time we get to the afternoon. Now Tuesday, partly sunny. It'll be warmer than 54, up near 60 on Wednesday with sun. Then Thursday, Friday looking like our 2 days this week that will get wet, especially on Friday. Then cooler over next weekend back into the 40s for highs. Thanks for logging on. Have a great evening.